Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain how to get the alpha key in Mr. Meat 2. This crucial item helps you uncover hidden objects and clues, which is vital for your progress. To obtain the alpha key, your first step is to craft a special copy key. This process requires you to locate and combine 3 distinct items found throughout the game. Let's dive into how you can find these necessary components and successfully create your copy key. Your journey to the alpha key begins by finding 2 of the 3 essential components. First, you need to locate the box cutter, which appears in different spots around the game environment. Keep your eyes peeled for it. Next, you must find the rusted keys. These are typically situated within the prison section of the building. Once you have secured both the box cutter and the rusted keys, you will be 2/3 of the way to assembling your copy key. With the box cutter and rusted keys in hand, your next task is to find the 3rd and final item, the CD-ROM. This disc also has several possible spawn locations, so explore thoroughly. Once you have all 3 items, the box cutter, the rusted keys, and the CD-ROM, head to the workbench. Place all 3 components onto the workbench, and it will automatically combine them, crafting your much-needed copy key. This key is your direct link to the alpha key. Now that you have successfully crafted the copy key, the final step is to retrieve the alpha key itself. Carry your newly made copy key to a specific room located on a lower floor. Use the copy key to access this designated area. Inside, you will discover the alpha security key, ready for you to pick up. This powerful key is indispensable for revealing hidden elements and ultimately unlocking the main door, paving your way to freedom.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.